So, all you crypto mining people, I just my AntMiner A3. Yeah, I was one of the one that grabbed one of those. Everybody's upset about it. Anyhow, it was late. It was supposed to be at my house yesterday, but there was something wrong with shipping delays. They were unable to get it loaded on the plane or something like that over in Alaska, and so it got delayed. Yeah, and what's weird is it goes all the way from China to Alaska, and then it goes all the way to Kentucky, Louisiana, and then to Phoenix, then to Yuma, Arizona. It's just interesting, big huge U-turn type deal. Anyhow, I chased down UPS because they got this new thing, track my package or where is my package, and it's like beta, but it uses GPS on the UPS truck to tell you where it is. Well, I found out where the UPS truck was because I was getting anxious, and I hunted that UPS truck down, and sure enough, I was able to get my package way earlier than I probably would have gotten it because it was between 3 and 7 p.m. I was supposed to get it, and I had a feeling it wasn't going to be till after 7, so I decided to just hop on down, not even a mile or two down the road, because he wasn't very far away, and get my package early. So when I get home, I'm going to be setting up the AntMiner A3. I'm going to be testing it out, and maybe I'll do live, I don't know, to get it hooked up and test it out, because I'm anxious to get this going, only because I only have a few days before the difficulty goes way, way up. I'm already 1 day behind because of UPS, and that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money lost every single day. So stay tuned.